It's done. It was so easy. Just 5 steps and gives better protection to your phone than other covers available. Let's check on iPhone 15 Pro Max. We already have got a cover, but let's try something better than before. It is called ESR cover. Let's unbox it. You will find a lot of stuff inside, including guide, manual, QR code, microfiber, dust remover. Out of these, we just require 5 things to proceed the cover: microfiber, dust catcher, camera lens protector, 2 wet wipes. Let's detach front and back panels of ESR cover. Now front panel is separated from back panel. This is Max Safe, supports wireless charging. Now let's remove existing cover from iPhone. Now let's start the procedure of fixing the case. Step 1, let's start from backside, beginning with fixing camera lens protector. Tear one of the 2 wet wipes and make sure to clean the lens gently. Make sure to clean all the dust particles from all the camera lens. After that, we have 3 dust catcher sticking cutout. Peel off one of the 3 dust catcher and keep placing and taking off over the camera lens or lenses after clearing dust particles. Then pick up camera protector, that is the small white plate holding camera lens covers. Peel off the sticker from the lens protector holding tray and place it right over the camera lenses. It will hold its place. When you try placing it, it will take its position. Now just lift over the tray. Easily it will be lifted and you could see lens protectors above camera lens. Now let's check the effect of lens protectors over camera. There is no difference. The clarity remanins unchanged. The picture quality remains undisturbed crisp. Let's come to next step. To put front panel over the phone, let's clean our phone front glass using second wet wipe. Gently clean the glass thoroughly. Using microfiber, wipe out over the screen. After that, using dust catcher, clean the glass by placing and removing the sticker all around. Now let's come to the front panel. There are 2 protective films with small tags marked with 1 and 2. 1 is outside film, remove it. After that, 2D1 is for inside, remove that too. Now fix the front side of ESR cover by placing it over the glass. Make sure there are no dust particles on the display. Press the cover all around so it takes its position. Press and rub the front panel using microfiber so the front panel holds over the screen a firm grip, and wipe all around. Now we are going to fix back side of the ESR cover. Place it and press it evenly. Front and back panels get together to give device ultimate all-way protection. Make sure to press on all sides of the display. It's done. It was so easy. On the back side, just open the window using thumbnail surrounding camera. This will act as a stand to place phone at video watching angle over the desktop to enjoy movies and video conferences easily. Phone can be kept horizontal or vertical. Let's check touch quality. No effect at all. It works well and perfectly as before. Touch response, it nice as before. Let's check camera quality. There is no change. Picture quality remains same as before. The cover is amazing, fits perfectly and holds phone. Though it is heavy as compared to the old cover, even the buttons also perform well. I personally recommend. You will love this cover and have a secure feeling about the phone. Thanks for giving me an opportunity to share this tutorial with you. Please like, share, and subscribe to the video, which will encourage me to throw more exciting content. Do comment your suggestion and feedback. Thank you.